Hi everyone, here I am with our CTO Per Roed. We're on site at Fiskå where we are constructing the prototype. As you can see behind me, we've got robots and tank sections. So Per, can you give us just an overview of the specifics and metrics of the tank?
Yeah, so the prototype tank, as shown in the back here, is currently a cylindrical part and an end cap. When it's all complete, it will be a tank that is about 2.5 meters in diameter and 9 meters in length. It's in total about 34 tons of steel, so quite a lot to put together. But you know, as what we see, one end cap, one half of the cylinder, the robots, the material handling robots, and a laser robot, and then on the back of it, which you can see, is the heart of it all, the laser source.
So then just remind us again, what are the key objectives we're trying to set here?
Well, so we're going to build up the tank and then test that to prove that we can survive the lifetime of a ship. So basically test the load cycles that the tank is going to be exposed to over the lifetime. But at the same time, put together a scaled production cell that we are going to be able to scale up to H2 Neo size.
And in terms of the work that we've been doing here on site to get it up and running and commissioned?
Well, so since we acquired all this, we've been setting everything up to make sure that we get everything down to the nanometer accuracy that we need to do the welding and the material handling. So as we started up, was to commission all the equipment, get all the calibration done, and now then slowly but surely testing to make sure that we don't set anything wrong up in the first place.
Yeah. So then I guess we get a lot of questions when we've been promoting the tank and the design and the objectives, but now we've had people on site. We had Carolan here last week, we had Jens on and Harbour Energy. What are the common questions that we get on the road that we've been able to resolve in person here?
I think, you know, the companies that you mentioned and the maritime and oil and gas industry are not necessarily, you know, used to robotics and this level of automation for building something that we're doing here. So I think for them to see how basically this runs is the number one thing, and to see the level of quality assurance that we can get out of this equipment.
Yeah. And for Jens on, having them here, obviously the synergies that we see between H2 and CO2 and the translation from one tank design to the next, that's been important?
That's been important, in that, you know, everything that we've done over the last 5 to 6 years on the H2 tank is all leveraged into what we're doing on the CO2 tank, right? So I think that's been really key, with the multiple layering of plates and then building up the ability to build up a lot of steel for really large tanks for both hydrogen and CO2.
All right, that's a quick update from us. We'll continue to make updates as we get through and see ramp up of welding through the rest of this year. And we look forward to achieving our targets in 2026. Thank you.